Lesson 14. कर्तव्यनिष्ठ प्रहरी dutiful guard. सैनिक हमारे देश की रक्षा करते हैं. सैनिक are protecting our countries. आप बड़े होकर क्या बनना चाहते हैं? What you want to become in future? भारत की 3 सैन्य शक्ति के नाम बताइए. Say the 3 Indian forces. 3 Indian forces. सैन्य शक्ति force. There are Indian forces, 3 forces: Navy, Air, and Army. Here it's an Army, Air, Navy. This is a story about the soldier, the Italy soldier from the city Paipai. He is, no one can sit in that Italy environment, the climate and weathers are very cold weathers. No one can't able to come out from the tent camp. This is that situations, no living organization be died. If it's come out, it will be died. So in the times, all the officers are depend on that in front of the wall, tent beyond the walls, they depend on the wall only. So puri tent, the whole camp is depend on one soldiers. So in meanwhile, one day night is heavy rainstorms. This heavy rainstorms under the wind, the windows are start to crackling, and that bodies are start to shivering. It's not can't stand in the earth. That much of shivering, the whole bodies. The wind also be heavy wind. So in this heavy wind, that ice are start to fall on. The rainstorms become ice storms, like that heavy wind bring ice includings. In these times, there are other special techniques. The army soldiers are trained during the training sessions. They teach them 2 terms. One is that you have to fight with the enemies, as well as you have to fight with the weather, climate, seasons. So today's what happens that actually the days has one ice mountains. The ice mountains, glacier or breakdown, glaciers or breakdowns and firings. Like it firings, it start to shower on the earth and surroundings. Framed glass box and showcase to the peoples. So this is a duty. So you try to respect the soldiers and policemen. Now come to the word meanings. Sipahi, soldier. Bharti, uniform. Purathatva Vibhag, archaeologies. Bhugam, earthquake. Kangal, skeleton. Kiwad, door. Disha, direction. Aksarya, shelter. Dufan, cyclone. Kartavya, duty. So now come to the choose the correct answer. कर्तव्यनिष्ठ सिपाही कहाँ रहता था? Where was the dutiful police, the soldiers lived? He lived in Paipai Nagar. This is the right answer. Paipai Nagar. फौजी जवानी के बाहर डैश रहता था. Soldier was doing dash outside of the camp. Pagara de ragata. Pagara means escort, watching. Next one more question. Sipahi kis sagar mein rehta tha? Which sagar? Which town the soldier was lived? The soldier was lived in Paipai Nagar. So instead of this kiss, you write the answer word. Kiss, write the answer word. Paipai. So next question also be the same one. Sipahi kahan sagar mein rehta tha? Kis sagar mein rehta tha? They slightly changed kahan. Instead of kis sagar mein, they say kahan, where. We have to write little elaborately. सिपाही इटाली के पाइपेयाई नगर का नगर खान का निवासी था. Where he lived. निवासी means residence. Where were the Sipahis' residence? The Sipahis' residence in Italy's Paipayai city. So next who said to who? एक सिपाही की पत्नी होकर मुझे छवाने जाने से रोक रही हो. ऐसा soldier's wife, you stopped me to reach to go to camp army camp. सिपाही ने पत्नी से. So now come to the Bhasha from the language. In this sessions we are going to learn the correct case. That is linking words or some other words we say in the grammar here, English grammars of that, for, like that. These are linking words we say. So this is also called the case forms. So identify the linking words, that are case forms. K. This is ka, ke, ki. That means of, long key, of, long key. This is of, meaning of in English. भारत के सैनिक वीर होते हैं. The soldiers of India are brave. और brave. वीर सैनिक देश की रक्षा करते हैं. The brave soldiers protect the countries. देश की रक्षा के लिए. So what are the words I am circled? You write out here. के लिए for, को, pronoun को, न्योछावर sacrifice. They sacrifice their lives for a countries. So न्योछावर, for understanding I am circled. No need to copy this one. न्योछावर means sacrifice. So what are the words I am highlighting in the yellow mark? You write down here. देश प्रेम सिपाही के लिए, for soldiers. सैनिकों को स्पेशल ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है. Next one, change into translate into English and mother tongue. Your son is a brave. ऐसे शब्द जो दो शब्दों या वाक्यों को जोड़ते हैं उसे समुच्चय बोधक कहलाते हैं. The words which are connect the two sentence, we say it is a connecting words. The connecting words are connect the sentence. Before that we say, see here that, see the case is connect the words, but this is it connecting words. This is connect the sentence. जतिन और मयंक भाई है. जतिन and Mayank as brothers. रजत रुके क्योंकि मुझे भी साथ चलना. Rajat, wait Rajat, because I to be come with you. क्योंकि because. उन्होंने मेहनत किया परंतु पास ना हो सका. But परंतु means but. So first they start from the east, south, then again east, south, east, south. So like that you color shadow. First one the east, from the east they color 4. So from that you have to color 5 boxes south side. 5 boxes south side. From the east, this is a ending point. From this ending point, you south side 5 column box.